here, and we're going to come down. The first muscle, this is 4-1-2-1. So the first muscle we have is we start with the pronator, end with the pronator. Pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor carpi ulnaris. Here we have the ulnar artery and the ulnar nerve traveling together. So that's the first layer. We have 4 muscles in the first layer. Second layer is flexor digitorum superficialis, and that's going to come down here. We're going to have 4 tendons of flexor digitorum superficialis once we get down into the hand. Third layer now, between flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus will be the median nerve. See this nerve that's not running with an artery? That's the median nerve. So we've got the ulnar nerve and artery, we've got the median nerve. Out here we've got the radial artery with the superficial radial nerve. And we have this little artery and nerve here called the anterior interosseous nerve and artery. They're actually going to go underneath these muscles. So the muscles, we go 4-1-2-1. The 2 muscles in this layer are flexor pollicis longus, which is going to come through the carpal tunnel all the way down to the thumb, and flexor digitorum profundus. Flexor digitorum profundus and flexor digitorum superficialis are going to go through the carpal tunnel. Profundus is going to attach to the distal phalanx. Superficialis is going to attach to the middle phalanx. If we were to remove these muscles here, and there would be a square muscle located underneath all of these tendons called quadratus, pronator quadratus. The anterior interosseous nerve and artery are going to go underneath pronator quadratus, down here. We come down and we look at the hand. We've got the thenar compartments, which are made up of abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and underneath them is opponens pollicis. The hypothenar compartment, we have abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, and underneath those should be opponens digiti minimi. Coming out of the tendons of flexor digitorum profundus will be these 4 muscles here, which are called lumbricals. And underneath those we will have palmar interossei and the adductor pollicis. Arteries here and nerves. Let's do nerves first. The ulnar nerve comes down, and the ulnar nerve is going to do a 3-way branch. Ulnar nerve is going to branch into the dorsal ulnar cutaneous, which innervates the skin on the back of the hand. A superficial ulnar, which comes down here to become common and proper palmar digitals, and a deep ulnar, which goes through the tunnel of Guillain to innervate the rest of the intrinsic and deep hand muscles. We've got the median nerve, which comes through the carpal tunnel, gives off a recurrent median nerve, which innervates the thenar muscles, and then branches into common and proper palmar digital nerves. Artery-wise, we've got an ulnar artery and a radial artery. They're each going to come down here, branching into a superficial branch and a deep branch. Both superficial branches contribute to the superficial palmar arch, which gives off common palmar digitals, which branch into proper palmar digitals. The deep radial is going to go around the backside, pop through the web of the hand, become the princeps pollicis. Yeah, we just got dizzy on that one, didn't we? Become the princeps pollicis and the deep palmar arch. We're going to see that on the hand model.